If you're looking for a big bowl of creamy, cheesy comfort food, then this chicken risotto recipe has you covered. It's easy to make, cooked in one pan, bang on plan. Winner, winner, Slimming World dinner. Spritz a pan with a little low-calorie cooking spray and fry an onion for around 8 minutes until it softens. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves, 250 grams of dried risotto rice, and 600 ml of hot chicken stock. Simmer for around 10 minutes until the stock has been absorbed. Stirring will help release the starch from the rice and give the risotto its signature creamy texture. Add 400 grams of cherry tomatoes, some fresh rosemary sprigs, and another 600 ml of stock, and continue to simmer and stir until it's all been absorbed and the rice is almost cooked. Add 300 grams of cooked skinless chicken, lemon juice, and 110 grams of Parmesan. Cover, switch off the heat, and rest for 5 minutes. Sprinkle over 10 more grams of cheese, divide between 4, and serve straight away.